In this video tutorial, we will learn about how to generate random set of unique integer number in C#. Unique integer number like that, we have a set of 4 unique integer, and these 4 unique integer random set generate every time. Every time the positions of these number will be changed. This is the random set of 4 unique integer. So the task is that how to generate these number in using a C# program. So now we are write a C# program for generating these unique integer random set of number. So by doing this, I have create a method for return a list of unique integer, list of int, make these method as a static, get unique random set of integer another list of integer, name as random list, equal to this. Now return this list for removing the error. For generating a list, we are using a while loop set true. Now here we check random list consists of four item. Then we break our loop and come back from this while loop. We check here random list dot count is greater than 4. Because of that, we want only four integer in the list. Then break here and come back to from this loop, and else we add these number, create a random class random number equal to new, and take here another variable int unique number equal to rand number dot next. Next is the method of random class. We generate a random. We want to generate 1, 1 और 5 के बीच का कोई भी रैंडम नंबर एक जनरेट करेंगे हम यहाँ से, और फिर इसको एक लिस्ट में ऐड करेंगे. Here we check if the unique number random list dot contains a unique number. If unique number is generate here and we have check this number is available in this, we do not add this number into the list. So we have set not equal to, and unique number need to add in random list. dot add unique number. Here only add a unique number, not repeated number. This is the, now we want to generate call this method get unique random set integer. Here we want to generate 5 set of numbers, so we use a for loop for creating a 5 time. Create here list of int random set of integer equal to get unique random integer. He is always return the random set of 4 integer. Now we print every element from random set of integer by using a for each loop. Int random number in random set of integer console dot write plus random number. Here need to change a line, console dot write line. Here console dot read line. Now build this program. Will take few seconds for building the program. Build is success. Now execute this by pressing F5. So here is the 5 random set of 4 integer. It always return a random number on different position or same. It is called the randomization of 4 integer. This is the way of generating a unique random set of integer number.